Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got another package in the mail. This is something that I haven't ordered in quite a while. Trying to keep up with my 2019 objectives. This is pretty important to me, and this will definitely help with this. Now, it's not that I haven't picked up some of these lately. Because I've been buying so much Constitutional Silver, the budget just hasn't allowed for it. In fact, I just recently traded for some of these. Traded some Constitutional Silver just so I could keep things moving on this end as well. So anyway, why don't we go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. Alright, let me see if I can cut this thing open without cutting something else. It's very well taped. This was bought from one of the online bullion dealers, and I've had pretty good luck with it. I don't order a ton from these guys, but I order some, and I did a video a while back about them shipping me the wrong item, and I had to ship it back. They paid for shipping and took care of me, so I was very happy about that. But, this thing is packed up. There we go, I'm going upside down, but a lot of you recognize who that may be from. They're in the same state that I'm in. Yankee Road. And Yankee Road. So we go ahead and open this up. Invoice popped right up with it. So that's cool. Take it out of there. I feel the weight already. This is awesome. Alright, well let's get into this thing and see what we have. Oh, as you might have imagined, got ourselves a roll of American Silver Eagles. I'm perplexed as to why the top doesn't fit. The top usually always fits in these things. So I don't know why it would be not sealing all the way down. Got some packing tape in there. So let's go ahead and look. I don't remember if I ordered a particular year or not. This is a 2008. So here we go, nice empty tube. I love that they send in the original U.S. Treasury tube. I think that's pretty cool. Also cost you $1 or $2 to go buy. So yeah, let's count them out and look at what we have here. So 2008. Usually, even though they say random years, usually when they send them to you, they send you all the same year. So there's 5 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just looking at the years. So there's 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 2008, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? Let's inspect a couple of them, make sure that I don't have any scratches or anything. They could have milk spots, possibly, and maybe some toning. These look great though. What are these, 11 years old? These look great, man. They feel great too. So yeah, so what do you think, huh? Got another roll of American Silver Eagles. Still working on that monster box myself. We're pretty far from having that filled up because of constitutional silver purchases we've been making, but still we want to, part of my strategy was to get a roll every month of the government issued bullion, and this qualifies as that for sure. This is some great stuff. I love the American Silver Eagle. So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out why those are sticking out. Maybe I'm amazed how tight these containers are. I probably want them that way because of so that they don't flop around when they ship. But look at, I gotta really push those in there, which I hate to get my fingerprints all over them. Doesn't really matter, but it's not reason to leave a fingerprint on it either if you don't have to. I'm gonna take my little rag here and wipe it up a little bit. Yeah, but it's just because this tube is so tight, I gotta push them in. I probably never get them back out now. So I'm shoving them down there. There's a couple more, and the last one. And why don't we use the tap to push it down? Still doesn't go all the way down. That's kind of strange. I've never had one like that, unless this isn't really an American Eagle tube and they gave a different one. I mean, it sure looks like one. That's what they look like, but can't understand why this doesn't go all the way in there. I mean, these things are packed in there. This is as tight as they can be. Oh well, anyway, we got ourselves 20 American Silver Eagles, 2008. Beautiful condition. What do you guys think, huh? Pretty cool. I just want to show you, still working on the 2019 strategy and trying to keep that rolling. Silver's gone up, but we still have to keep the strategy rolling. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you liked it. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you're notified anytime we put out another video. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.